Hi everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for joining me. I'm gonna make some home fries. First we start off with some potatoes. I have this potatoes inside this frying pan because I'm gonna take these potatoes and I'm gonna boil them on top of the stove just for 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna start also, we have this onions, bell green peppers and we have red peppers, and I cut some diced sides. These are the sides you would like to have for your home fries. And we're also gonna put in some adobo and some sazon into on top of the stove. So next time you see me, it will be on top of the stove. Okay, now it's boiling, so I turn it off, and we're gonna drain these potatoes. They only boil for like 2 minutes. We're gonna drain these potatoes, and then we're gonna cook them on top of the stove. I'm gonna add some butter, onions, get some sazon, and we also have adobo. And it's very simple. Just make this low right here, and it's gonna cook by itself. You don't have to do much to it, it's going to cook by itself. You may want to add a little bit more butter, but this is the best home fries of us. It's simple, easy, and easy to do. And because I love so much, I love using parsley. I'm going to add some parsley a little later on in this dish. Do you see that? Okay, now I'm just going to close the pan back, and that is it. Okay, that is it. Okay, everyone, the hash brown is ready. See how nice it is? It got that little golden brown on the side. And I'm ready to taste this. So I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to put a little bit inside on top of this. This just a little. My lipstick is not. Oh, you see the onions? Oh, okay. And if you want to, I like it just like this. But my daughters and other people I know, they love to put sour cream on it. I'll put a little bit of sour cream on the side right here. And here it is. This is home fries, everyone. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. You taste butter and flavor. The time that the home fry get in your mouth, and everything just clicking, you can taste the garlic and the seasoning and the sazon and adobo. Then you taste that rich buttery flavor of all the seasoning. It's delicious. Try this, everyone. Trust me. It's simple, it's easy, and it's full of flavor. You could cook this and make it with chicken. You could have it for breakfast. You could have it for lunch or dinner. Try it. Okay. Well, that is it. I want to thank you all for listening and watching, of course. Until next time, don't forget, God is good. Bye bye. Love you.